Here's a quick overview for installing the SKDA graphics on your CF Moto 450 MT. First, lay out the decal kit, ensuring you have matching pieces for both sides. Before you start, have grease and wax remover, a heat gun, clean rags and a plastic squeegee ready. However, I prefer just to use my hand and thumb when applying graphics. Remove the seat or any other accessories that may interfere with applying the decal. Clean each panel with grease and wax remover as you go. Place the graphic over the plastics to check its alignment with fastener holes to help you align the graphic. Peel the backing from one corner, fix to that point and check that the alignment of the edges so that the end point matches. Peel the backing sheet away as you press down on the graphic, working your way from the starting point. If you get a little offline, peel back and adjust as needed. Once all the corners are in place, then adhere all the panel edges using a heat gun to form the decal to the plastics. Be careful not to overheat the decal because they will stretch and deform the look of any logos or stripes. SKDA templates are very accurate, so use the fastener holes to help line up your graphics, and in most cases it's hard to get wrong. When centering the mudguard or fairing graphics, I carefully cut a strip from the center of the backing paper, then apply it to the graphics and check that it's spaced correctly to be even on both sides. Then I peel the paper back as I work the decal towards the outside. The most important thing to do is to be patient and slowly work the decal across each surface, checking for air bubbles. Good luck, and for more installation tips, check out the SKDA YouTube channel.